Fine, good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. I hope by God's grace you all are safe. So pray to God daily for your health, your studies, your parents, so each and everything. Okay. So warm greetings to you all students. Welcome to our today's online class. So this period is computer science for you. So, yesterday onwards we are studying a chapter 5. So, what's the title of your fifth chapter? Working with Windows operating system. So, fourth chapter fully you have studied about operating system. So, this chapter you are going to study, and that means what are the things you are going to do or what are the things you are going to work with the Windows operating system. Okay. So, before I am going to start about today's portion, so just recall what are things you have studied in the last class. Okay, so what are things you have studied in the last class? So introduction about operating system. So what's the use of operating system? Then versions of operating system, very important and most expected 5 mark questions, isn't it? So have you all studied? So I asked you to study and write that question in your notebook. Have you all studied and written that question in your notebook, students? Have you all studied or not? So please study daily portions, okay? Some questions I used to say very important. There is a very important questions that are there. So that questions please study and write. Then only you will never get forget. Okay, students? Okay. So today you are going to study first topic, handling the mouse. Okay, this is the picture of the mouse that already you know, isn't it? So this is a picture of mouse, isn't it? So how you need to work with the mouse or how you need to handle the mouse. Okay, so mouse, if you see, means you should keep the hand like this. Okay, always you should keep your hand like this. Okay, so you should keep your forefinger so like this, either in a this left click button or right click button. Okay, so always we will keep the forefinger like this. Okay, students, so mouse, if you have seen, means two buttons are there. So this is a left mouse button and this side is a right mouse button. Okay, so the left mouse button if you are clicking on means we can call as the left click. At the same time right mouse button if you are clicking means we can call as what? Right click. Okay, so what's the use of this each and every clicks and what's the use of this mouse? Okay, very important question this one. Handling the book inside question. Okay, mouse actions. Okay, so first action is listen, point to an item. So what's the meaning of point to an item? Move the mouse pointer over the item. For example, have you seen that arrow mark? This is called mouse pointer. So I am pointing the, for example, I am pointing the letter right click. So what's the use? So I am pointing the letter right click. So what's the use of pointer? Mainly used to move. Wherever you need, you can able to move the mouse pointer over the item. So here, where you need to move, based on that, you can able to move this pointer in the full item or full diagram. Understood the first point? What's the first point? First action, point to an item. So what's the use? You can able to move the mouse pointer over the full item or full diagram. Okay. So next one is click. Okay, so click means, listen, already I said two buttons are there. So you can able to click either left. One time you need to press the mouse, that is click. Okay, so how you need to press means, listen, first either you need to press the left click or you need to press the right click. So you should one time you need to press and release the left mouse button. Mostly you will click which button? Left mouse button. Okay, what do you mean by click? So you need to point the item. So where you need to point? So which place you need to point? Means there, for example, I need to click here means I need to point the mouse here. Okay, I need to point the mouse pointer here. Then you need to keep the finger like this and the left mouse button you need to click once. Understood? What's the use of left click? Okay. So next one is right click. Okay, so right click means same way you need to keep the finger like this and you need to press the this side right mouse button. Okay, so once you click the right mouse button mean, so lot of pop-up, listen carefully. So now I am, listen carefully, now I am clicking the right mouse button, see. So one time I am pressing the, using this finger you need to click the right mouse button. One time you need to press and release. Okay, so once you have clicked the right mouse button means you can see lot of options. This only they are telling us a pop-up menu. Okay, what's this one? Pop-up menu. Once you are clicking the right mouse button means So there are lot of menus will be applied on screen. This is called which one? Pop-up menu. From this menus you can able to select which one you need. Understood? Okay. So next one is double click. Okay. So double click means, listen. So 2 times you need to press the left mouse button. Already you have studied left click, isn't it? How many times you need to click left click? Only 1 time, isn't it? So if you need to click the double click, that means, so in the left mouse button you should click how many times? 2 times, or twice you need to press the left mouse button. Understood? So next one is the drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop means, listen. So some pictures or some images or whatever maybe you need to drag from one place and move to the some other place. Okay, at that time what you need to do means, listen, you which, for example, I need to move this diagram. Okay, so for that what I need to do means, listen, you need to hold the left mouse button. Okay, what you need to do? You need to hold the left mouse button first. Then you which diagram or which letter you need to move, there you need to press left mouse button. Okay, then just you need to press it and drag the picture or anything, which place you need, that one you need to release it. Understood? So I'll show that example. So for example, listen carefully. So what's the use of a drag and drop? So drag and drop is mainly used to, sorry student, so mainly used to drag from one place to another. Which one you need to press? For example, I am moving this one, see. So I am moving from here to here. Have you seen this one? So how I am doing means, listen. So just I am pressing the left mouse button. Okay, just I am pressing the left mouse button and keeping the mouse pointer. I need to drag this one. So I am keeping the mouse pointer here and pressing and holding the left mouse button. I am moving like this. Understood what's the use of this one? Understood what's the use of drag and drop? Yes. Okay. So what are the mouse actions you have studied? First one is point to an item. What do you mean by point to an item? So you can keep the mouse pointer which place you need. So that place you can point and you can explain what's the use of that one. Click means, normally click means you can say that's a left click. So that also you can able to point the item and also then you can able to release the left. One time you need to press and release. Okay. So right click means you need to press the right mouse button one time. So once you are pressing the right mouse button means a lot of options will be displayed. That is called pop-up menu. So double click means how many times you need to press? 2 times you need to press the left click button. Drag and drop means that which place you need, that place you need to click and drag. Press the long press you need to press for left mouse button and which position you need, that position you need to release it. Understood? Okay. So next one is Windows Desktop. So now only you are going to study about what do you mean by desktop, what's the use of Windows Desktop. So what do you mean by Windows Desktop means, listen carefully. So once you are on the system, okay, once you are on the system, one screen will open. So immediately one screen will open in your system. Okay, so that screen we are calling as a desktop. That opening screen is called what? Desktop. Okay, so what do you mean by desktop? So opening screen of your computer we can call as a what? Not only computer, laptop, tab or whatever may be. So that opening screen we can call as a what? Desktop. Okay, so the desktop of your computer, that means desktop of each and every computer may looks different. Why means sometimes your mobile phone, take your mobile phone. So at the home screen, so most of them will keep photos, isn't it? Your photos or natural background, etc, etc. So whether all the mobile phone backgrounds are same? No, isn't it? Same way all the desktop of your computers are not same. It looks different. Why? Because you can able to change the appearance of your desktop. Understood? So what do you mean by desktop? What do you mean by desktop? The opening screen. That's once you are on the system. So one screen will appear. That is called what? Desktop. Okay. So desktop you can able to change the picture. That means the background of the wallpaper you can able to change. Okay. Yes. So next one is icons. What do you mean by icon? Okay. So it is some graphical symbol. Okay. So it's a symbol mainly used to represent. What are things it is used to represent? Mean window elements. What are things it is used to represent? Window elements. What are the window elements? Files, folders and also lot of application. So in your mobile phones also, if you're taking the screen means in the screen you can say lot of folders, isn't it? You can say lot of folders. It's a file manager. So if you are creating folders means that folders also you can able to, so you can also able to create lot of folders in home screen itself, isn't it? And also lot of applications. So what do you mean by icons? It's just a graphical symbol. So the symbol used to represent, so symbol means nothing but for example you are installing WhatsApp. So for WhatsApp they will give WhatsApp logo. That's a WhatsApp symbol. Then if you are installing Facebook means it will give FB symbol. Then if for installing Instagram means it will give Insta symbol. So it's a graphical symbol representing different thing. So files means it will represent, that's a file symbol. Folder means it's a folder. Word file means word file. Okay. So this icon will play GUI based applications, that is graphical user based. Using that applications you can able to play videos, audios and whatever you need. Based on that you can able to, that is called GUI based applications. Understood? So listen, so this is the desktop. Okay, this is the desktop. Okay, so once you are oning the computer, if you see means, so the system, if you are oning the system, the screen, have you seen the screen? Blue color with that some symbol is there, no? This screen we are calling as an what? Desktop. Desktop of your computer. Understood? So here, next you have studied about, so this only say have said that blue color wallpaper is there, no? That based on your wish you can able to change. So here lot of icons are there. What are things you have studied icons? Icons is just a graphical symbol. It will represent what? Files, folders, applications, isn't it? So here this and all we can call as what? Here have you seen that yellow color symbol? So this and all we can call as a folders. Understood? Have you seen this one? This yellow color store office, open office, like this they have given, no? This and all we can call as a what? Folders. Then lot of symbols are there. Have you seen? My computer. Then this and all we can say so as application softwares. So what are the softwares you have installed in your computer? All the softwares you have shown some icons. This is called what? Icons. Understood what do you mean by Windows? Window means that's a operating system. So in your computer, if you are giving Windows XP means it will show the Windows XP background. Then Windows 7 means this is the Windows 7. Windows 8 means Windows 8. Windows 10 means Windows 10. Icons based on your computer, how many softwares you have installed, all the softwares they have given us a what? This iconic symbol. Understood? Okay. So next one is standard icons. Already we have studied icons. Next thing is standard icons. Okay. So what do you mean by standard icon? Means, listen. So once you are installing the operating system, so that blue color screen you have studied, no? That desktop. Once you are installing the desktop screen itself or operating system itself, some standard icons are there. Understood? Once you are installing that operating system itself, some standard, that means by default some icons are installed in the desktop screen itself. Okay, that icons are called which icon? Standard icons. Understood? So what are the examples of standard icon? Means, listen, my computer, documents, recycle bin. So what are the standard icons? My computer, documents and recycle bin. See this screen, have you seen my computer? Have you seen this one? My computer. Okay. So here only if you are double clicking means all the drives are displayed inside this my computer. Okay. Then have you seen this recycle bin? Recycle bin? Yes. Okay. So once you are installing this desktop screen itself, so this kind of icons, what are they? My computer, then recycle bin, the documents will also be there. Okay, so like this kind of icons is automatic, no need to install again. So automatically this kind of, what are they? My computer, recycle bin and automatically install. So that kind of icon is called which icon? Standard icons. Understood? Okay. So next one is, listen, shortcut icons. So shortcut icons means, listen, okay, so you can able to create shortcut for whatever maybe. You can able to create shortcut for even a file, folder or applications or whatever maybe. Okay, so shortcut icons means, listen, the shortcut icon, the symbol will give, have you seen, is it visible? Have you seen this symbol as a blue color arrow mark? So if you are seeing means each and every icons will have this, see, blue color arrow mark, that represents a shortcut icon. Okay, so if you are, how you need to open means, if you are double clicking this icon itself, you can able to open the icon. Once you are installing the particular software, the shortcut icons will be created in what? Desktop. Okay, so shortcut icons you can able to create for what? All the application or file or folder. How you need to open? So you need to double click the shortcut file or folder. At the time you can able to open the file. Understood about shortcut icons? So how you will identify it's a shortcut icon? By seeing this blue color arrow mark symbol. Understood? Okay. So next one is the disk drive icons. Okay, so disk drive icons, listen carefully. Okay, so there are 5 disk drive options are there. Okay, so in the disk drive icons, how many disk drive options are there totally? 5. What are they means? Listen: hard disk, CD-ROM, pen drive, removable disk, okay, network drives. What are the 5 important questions? So network disk drive icons are how many types? 5. What are they? Hard disk, CD-ROM, pen drive, then removable disk and network drives. I'll show on. See. So when you are opening the My Computer, if you are double clicking the My Computer, this screen will automatically open. Okay. So what are the 5 types of icons you have studied? Disk drive icons, isn't it? See, listen carefully. So disk drive icon means, so those icons you have shown as C, local disk C, local disk D, local disk E, local disk G. So the names they have given no local disk D. So this and all we can call as what? Which icons? Disk drive icons. Okay. Then removable disk. Removable disk means, listen. So if you are pinning your pen drive, if you are plugging your pen drive in your computer means it will show some icons are here. That is called removable disk icons. Okay. So now you are fixing some Wi-Fi devices or modems or anything. So that if you are fixing some modems or anything, that here it will show that one more icon, that is an adapter. Okay, that is a network drive icon. So if you are fixing connecting your data cable or something means it will show that's a mobile phone icon. Understood what's the difference between each and this and all? Local disk means that is already your hard disk. Already your hard disk memory space is divided into this kind of disk. So that we can call this a what? Drive icons. And this one removal disk means extra whatever maybe pen drives or whatever maybe you are fixing, that we can call this one removal disk. Then Wi-Fi or modems if you are, then that is called network drives. Then mobile phones you are connecting with data means that is called what? Connected device. So how many drive icons are there? How many drive icons are there? 5. What are they? Then hard disk, CD-ROM, yes, CD-ROM, one more, this CD-ROM icon is also there. Okay, so here they have not shown, here, see, this is the CD-ROM icon. So if you are plugging your CD drive or if you are playing some CD means here it will disk. Understood? Okay, so today what are things you have studied, students? What do you mean by desktop? Then what do you mean by files and folders? What do you mean by shortcut icons? What do you mean by icons and disk drive icons? Isn't it? Okay, so after completion of this session, please students read all the things. So this and all very important things you should know. This and all very basic things. So like this only you need to use the computer, and also handling the mouse very important question. So please study and take care, students. Thank you.